Hey Strummin Mums, and welcome back, where I'm going to teach you today how to hold your ukulele. 2 ways. Firstly, just remember that every body is different. So while there's lots of general advice out there, you need to do some slight adjusting to make sure that the ukulele is comfortable in your arms. The most important thing is that you feel relaxed and comfortable, that your shoulders are relaxed, you're ready to play. If you're feeling tension or discomfort, there's a good chance that you're not holding your ukulele the right way. I'm hoping that my tips today will help you feel that comfort while holding your ukulele and stability. And if you're still having any trouble, do come into a class and see me or another ukulele teacher in your region and just get those little adjustments that you need, because knowing how to hold your ukulele makes the world of difference. Another thing to note in this lesson is that I'm teaching right-handed hold today. You could take what I say and just think upside down if you're going to hold your ukulele left-handed. But if you're going to hold your ukulele left-handed, you also need to keep in mind that you'll likely want to restring your ukulele so that you have G, C, E, A from your nose to your toes. I've been told by many people that the right-handed way to play is the best way to play regardless of left-handed or right-handed, because it is a two-handed instrument at the end of the day. You're still using both hands. A piano, you don't get a choice of left-handed or right-handed. So it just goes to show that no matter what your hand preference, you can play with both hands. I'll be explaining the ukulele body parts as we go as well, just so that you start getting an understanding of what they're called, so I can better communicate with you what we're doing. But very quickly, I like to think of the human body, the main parts of our ukulele being the body, the neck, and at the top of the neck, the head. We have a nut, a sound hole, and a bridge. And we have our tuning pegs that we learnt about in our last lesson on how to tune your ukulele. Okay, starting off with your ukulele, we're going to start by placing your ukulele down on your thigh with the neck angled up. So you can see it's gone from my thigh up in front of my shoulder, angled upwards. What I'm doing with my left hand is I'm making like an L shape. And in the cradle, in this little part between our thumb and our forefinger that's nice and soft, I cradle the neck of the ukulele where this white nut is. And you can see right now, without actually doing anything with my right hand, I can actually balance my ukulele on my thigh up to my left hand. My shoulders are relaxed and there's quite a bit of stability there. What you want to be able to do for a bit more stability is to take your strumming hand, your right hand, and the forearm of your right arm is just going to gently drape over the top of the ukulele. And you can see it's not the side, it's up over the top gently, and your hand should be able to fall where the ukulele body meets the neck. Okay, so now you've got even more stability. My ukulele is up against my body, so the entire back of the ukulele is against my front. I'm not smothering it and I'm not holding it flat. And the reason I'm not doing either of those is it causes poor posture or awkward wrist shapes, which could then lead to pain and even injury. So make sure that you are comfortable and relaxed at all times. When I have this left hand L shape, my wrists also dropped down. It's nice and relaxed. I'm not having my shoulder or my elbow bent upwards. They're just down by my side, relaxed and long, so that I can play with ease. From here, another way that you might like to play, and I often prefer to play if I'm performing, is to simply take your ukulele, pick it up onto your chest. And now to play here, it's that bit of extra pressure from your forearm that holds your ukulele against your body. And I can hold my ukulele at the base of the body and the neck. From there, I would be able to let go of my left hand. And you can see again, my forearm and my left hand are supporting this ukulele. And I could just glide my thumbs over my strings. In our next lesson, we're going to be learning all about the frets and where to put our left hand fingers. So for now, get comfy, practice a little bit of strumming, and up next we'll learn about our frets.